So you're shopping around for your new car, and yeah, you might have things figured out, like how much you're going to put as a down payment, how much the percentage is going to be for the financing you have to do, and maybe even how much maintenance is going to be necessary over time. But there was one critical element that a lot of people do overlook, and that's how much it's going to take to insure that new vehicle. And that's why we're going to show you the top 10 cheapest cars to insure for 2012 on this episode of Speed.
In a world where car companies are numbered in the hundreds, Chevrolet, Pontiac, Honda, Mitsubishi, GMC, Lotus, Toyota, Acura, Ford, Lexus, Jeep, you need to know the facts, the latest information for everything about cars, trucks, motorcycles, and ATVs. This is Speed.
Let's face it,